Moment of truth time. The inverter's hooked up to the motor via the reversing lever. Reversing lever is set to forwards. Rotation is arbitrary at this point. Fire in the hole. Hello. Inverter's alive. Let's go for a run. It's alive! It's going backwards, but it's alive. I have a lathe. Right, remember how to stop it. There we go. Good evening's work.